Good students, today we will study about some important questions which is related with trigonometry. The solution, the equation, the problem is thus: in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. If tan A is equal to 1, then find the value of sin A and cos square C. Okay, students, solution for this solution. We solve it. Triangle ABC, before we make a right triangle, A, angle B 90 degree and this angle is C. We determine two angles A and C. On two bases we calculate it. Okay? Here given tan A, here tan A is equal to 1. Given tan A is equal to 1, then we can write one by one. We can write it one by one. Can write. To do it, to do as, then two sides. So 1 and 1 here. Tan A, ratio of tan A is equal to perpendicular by base on triangle A. Perpendicular 1 BC is perpendicular line and 1 is AB is the base. But two sides we clear by this ratio, but third side unknown. Then third side determined by use of Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, student. Here we can write AC square is equal to AB square or square of BC. Here AB square 1 square 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. You can write here 1 plus 1 we get 2. Here AC is equal to root 2. We get root 2. The value of AC is equal to root 2. Okay, student. Here three sides clear. Then any ratio you can determine of, you can determine 6 ratio. When three sides are clear, then you can determine 6 ratio. Here tan A is equal to 1 by 1. We can determine the value of AC. Here, then we can show the ratio of sin A and cos square C. Here sin A on this angle, then this is the base and this is the altitude or perpendicular line and this is the hypotenuse. Sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse and 1 by root 2. We can write perpendicular BC by hypotenuse AC by the ratio of sin A. Here cos square C we determined before cos C. When we take angle C, then BC is the base and AB will be perpendicular line. Then cos C is equal to base BC by hypotenuse AC. Then we can write here 1 by root 2. Okay student, by this method you can determine the value of cos C. Here, but cos square C, cos, then cos square, then cos square C is equal to 1 by root 2 square of 1 by root 2, then you, since root A is equal to square of root A square is equal to 1. Here 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay students, then cos square C is equal to 1 by 2. So okay student, these types of problems you can solve by this method. After this when given next questions as if in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, if cot A is equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A, then find the value of sin A and cos A and cos A. Here solution for this, here A, B, C. This is here given cot A is equal to root 3. Then we can write root 3 by 1. We can write. Here two sides clear. Cot A, the value of cot A ratio is found base by perpendicular line. Here angle A is here, then AB is base and BC is the perpendicular line. Base by perpendicular line, cot A ratio. Here we find the value of AC by Pythagoras theorem. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then we get AB square root square of 3 plus 1 square. 3 plus we get root 3 square cancel root, then we get 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. AC square is equal to 4, then AC is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Find the value of 2. Okay student, by this method we calculate the value of sin A. Therefore, sin A is equal to 1 perpendicular BC by AC, here 1 by 2, and sin A, and here cos A. Cos A is equal to base by perpendicular. Here AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay student, this is answer. The next problems I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.